So it can totally extinguish very easily. The flares may last for about 20 seconds. The majority of the journey is spent not knowing the word. So out here on the left, you can see Lauren. She's very busy as we know. She broke down, so I feel the only so straight ahead, we have two large boulders. These boulders have collapsed and formed an archway. They weigh around 15 tons, the same weight as two double-decker buses or 4 baby engines. The collapse of 13,000 months been balanced very finely and carelessly like this ever since. But as you pass the leaf, if you hold my right shoulder for the metal at the road, I shall not touch out directly because it goes great. If you hold my shoulder here, around the corner, you might see there's a little smiley face in the wall. So there's two eyes in mine just there. And if you look back over our code, back to the rock, you can get a better view of how you're balanced. So there's only a couple of inches in that, we don't tell you that afterwards.
You're gonna knock it out.
So guys, up here to the right hand side, we have our second largest chamber in the cave system. So look over there, you can see the Grand Gallery, and it extends for 1.5 kilometers in that direction. It goes to a waterfall dead end, so unfortunately we can't bring us down there today. The last group who went down there never came back. Some messes. The real reason is up in that chamber you find lots of bats, and we try our best to not wake the bats up from disturbing. So instead, we're going to swing in that. So sadly, our whole journey is coming to an end. We've run out of water.